People in today's world don't recognize the cost of owning a hot tub. And I can prove with math that a Royal Spa is half the price of any hot tub you can buy on earth. When you look at the cost of operation and you look at the cost of electricity and you look at the cost of buying the product, and then you're so impressed by the fact that Royal Spa has a 40-year warranty on our product, and to my knowledge, there's no one that gives a warranty that's longer than 5. And so Royal Spas last multiple times longer than our competitors. The areas that make us massively different, for instance, are the filtration system. The filtration system can be $375 for the change of the filter one time. Whereas with a Royal Spa, we only have to change our filter every 2 years. And so where theirs might be $375 per filter change per year, ours would be $33 per filter change for 2 years, making it $16.50. So $375 is a far cry from $16.50. When we talk about the cost of operating, a normal hot tub can be $67 a month, and the circulation of a Royal Spa can be as cheap as $6. So there's a quantum difference there. When we look at the operating cost of a tub, just fixing the control system on it, a Royal Spa hot tub can be fixed for as little as $20. The normal cost of the repair of a computerized hot tub is $1,200. So where we're at $20 and they're at $1,200, massive difference in the cost of just keeping the hot tub under control. When it comes to the life expectancy of the cabinet and the structure and everything else, Royal Spas are coming in at a minimum of 28 years. A normal hot tub will be thrown away statistically at 7 years. So if you commit to having a hot tub in your life for the rest of your days, you'll be looking at buying 4 of theirs for every 1 Royal Spa that you purchase. It doesn't make any sense to not pay attention to the long-term and the short-term math that surrounds the ownership of a hot tub. Everyone is looking for a value, and a value says the longevity of the product and how much it costs to purchase and maintain. A Royal Spa will run circles around any competitor's performance in both pricing and performance and life expectancy.